Keep it in our hands. Even for the toilet, we take the phone. We don't want to leave it near the bed. We take it to our bed. But you have to understand, we are thinking it is just a passing thought, but your mind is so powerful. Your mind captures everything around into your body, and your body processes it in the heart, which is your soul, and the soul takes a decision, and that defines your spirit. So it all starts with the 5 gates. Ellarum kaiya uyathi coming 5 gates, because the Bible declares in Proverbs 23:7, as the man thinks in his heart, so is he. அவன் இருதயத்தின் நினைவு எப்படி இருக்கிறதோ அப்படியே அவன் இருக்கிறான். What happens in the brain?